Thomas is a tank engine who lives at a big station on the island of Sodor. He's a cheeky little engine with 6 small wheels, a short stumpy funnel, a short stumpy boiler, and a short stumpy dome.
Thanks to Creality for sponsoring this video. Today I will show you how to make those walls in the background for your Thomas the Train layouts. Those bricks look very nice. Alright, first we have 2 options, and this is flat, there is no supports. These are for fixed walls, that means you glue it to a background. Second option we have is the one I call it standalone. It comes with support, and this is how it comes. It comes in 3 pieces. Each panel comes with 4 little columns. You put 3 in the wall and one at the end, halfway. So when you complete your project, it will cover the opening like that. Very nice. These walls are made out of basswood. You might check the link in the description, customtrackmaster.com, or you can find them on eBay. I like the red bricks, so you can paint them brown too, or orange. There are different techniques to paint the mortar white, and let me show you what I did. Alright, here is the first option. It comes plain with no supports, and this is the second option, that you can put the supports to keep them up. Very easy. Now let's paint these walls. So we're going to start with the white, all the bricks, and try not to paint over this area or the top. As soon as you're done painting, wipe it down with napkin, paper towel, and let it dry. After the first coat, I'm going to apply a second coat. I will let it dry for maybe 10 to 20 minutes. Just make sure you put it back to the supports, or the wall will bend inwards or outwards. Once it's done, we are going to start painting the bricks. So here is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to be gentle, not too much, just a little bit, and start doing this in an angle like that, and continue the process. See how the bricks look? They look very nice. Make sure not too much paint. Excellent, excellent. It is very important not to put too much paint. Just gentle, gentle. See, my brush is barely tampered with paint, and this will give your bricks an age or old effect. Yeah, those look nice. I think this is one of the greatest projects to spend a lot of hours. See what happens when you put too much paint? But that's okay, because some of these areas need extra paint and some areas don't. So far so good. Next step, these columns right here. Here is an easy one. This brick is the top part and this is the bottom part. So anyways, we are going to paint the entire column, sides, but not the back, just the sides, top, and the front. Once this has been painted, I will let it dry for 10 minutes. Let's continue with these bricks. Make sure do not apply too much paint. See how it looks? Excellent. Great, great, great. And I would recommend you try not to paint much of the sides, just the front. I want to paint these walls, so we just squeeze with both fingers at the same time, push it down, squeeze, so you can get it out. And I want to add some gray color to the very top only, just the top. If you are expert, use your fingers as a guide and slide it all the way to the end. Easy. Here is another one. Boom. Not too much paint or your paint will drip out of the wall. Nice. We can correct again and adjust. Cool. I want to add some gray to my base, so we can do whatever the way you want. You can apply a lot of paint. I'm gonna let this dry and paint the side of these columns. Just be very careful, gentle, 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 gentle. We are done painting, and these are our columns. They are being painted. The base is painted, and my walls are ready for assembly. So it's very easy and simple. I'll connect the slots with the tabs, push it down, very careful. Good. Next step, see those lines right across the bricks here and here? That's your guide where you're going to put these columns. In order to keep it in place, I will use super glue. You may use something else. I like super glue. It's just 10 seconds and good to go. It is very important, the orientation. Remember, there is a complete brick on the top. The bottom is half brick. That's the bottom, and that's the orientation you need to put these columns. The very last column you need to align on this, the end of the bricks, halfway, just like that. The purpose to leave this column halfway like that, it's that you can hide the joint of the wall. Very nice, excellent. I recommend you to get the standalone option. These are very great and easy to place in any table, and you can take it apart. This other option is for you to glue it in a background, walls, physical walls.